So I'm going to start. Very good morning, dear students. This is your live class. Today on 16th May, I'm going to take your doubt session. Already we have finished our second unit, that is structure of atom. So now related to that topic, whatever gray areas are there, whatever different difficulties you are facing, those topics I'm taking here. So first doubt came from Leila, that is transition of spectrum of different series. So the topic is spectrum, which came from electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, dear students, this word electromagnetic, it comes from two words. So as in wave, like when we are talking about the different structure of atom, so it came to our knowledge that the structure of atom is comprises three things. Number one, it is electric nature of matter. Second, wave nature of matter, and third, particle nature of matter. Okay, electric nature of matter, wave nature of matter, and particle nature of matter. These three basic properties of matter we have discussed. So do you know about all these three types of basic matter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so electric nature. In electric nature, it is about the light. You mean matter? Light is a matter. Okay, matter is a light is also a kind of matter. So wave. Now, what kind of matter it is? When it is moving toward this direction, the light is moving toward this direction. It is moving like a wave. Okay, this is the first. This is the one thing. And now, if it is moving like this way, so there are perpendicularly two properties are moving together like this way. One is electric nature, electric property. Okay, electrons are moving. Electrons are moving to electric property, and perpendicular to this there is, yes, what is the second property?
Magnetic.
Property. Perpendicular to electricity. You have studied in 10th class also electric magnetic chapter in physics. So electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, and it is perpendicularly moving. Suppose electricity is moving like this way, the magnetic field is moving in this way, like snake. Okay, if electric is moving like a wave, the magnetic is moving like a snake. So these are perpendicular to each other, and that concept brought electromagnetic thing. Okay, now this up to this, you know, if suppose this light will move toward this direction. Suppose sunlight, I'm talking about sunlight. Sunlight is a band of light, it is having a set of different rays that moving. When this light is striking on a prism or any object, so you know very well this light will reflect in basis how many colors? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Movement, Lord, please avoid your movement and sit properly and listen. Otherwise, in a white light, how many colors are there in white light? This is a white light which fall on object. How many colors are there? It will give 7 basic colors. These basic colors are called pure. Am I right? 7 basic colors is known as pure. Okay. So from here, what is the definition? Now, what is the definition of spectrum? It is a combination of light. It is a combination of light of different wavelength. When light pass through prism, the series of color band is obtained. This series of color band is called spectrum. What is this? Spectrum. So it becomes now. Let me clear the definition. Electromagnetic spectrum. It is that light in which electric property and magnetic properties are there. But when these electric property, magnetic property will strike with the prism, it will show different color, different band of color. That different band of color is called spectrum. So it becomes electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. Now we will discuss this on the basis of atoms. How atom atom is showing the electromagnetic spectrum. Suppose nucleus is in the center, and you know very well they are different. Actually, from where the electromagnetic spectrum topic came? From where electromagnetic spectrum topic came? It came after Rutherford. It came after Rutherford. The moment Rutherford has the limitation of Rutherford was there, as Rutherford model shows that electrons are revolving around the nucleus, but the moment electron is revolving, it is emitting some energy. In this way, it is emitting some energy. One stage will come when the electron will fall on the nucleus, and when it will reach the nucleus, that time atom will destroy. But this is not a reality. Atom is not destroying. Okay. So from there, when electromagnetic spectrum came, the atom electrons are moving like a wave in a particular orbit. It is moving like a wave, like this way. So if it is moving like a wave, so it shows electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. So then what will happen if electron is here? So when this electron will get some extra energy from outside, from temperature, then what will happen? This electron will eject from outermost surface. Once it will eject, it will reach to the next orbit. In this way, ions, suppose this is electron, you know very well. Sodium can lose one electron and it will become sodium positive ion. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if sodium is losing one electron, how sodium will lose electron? One energy will come more than threshold energy. That energy will come from external. The moment the energy will fall on this electron, it will eject the electron. It will eject the electron from outermost surface. Okay, at that point, that ejecting of electron is showing the electromagnetic spectrum. So there are some series of electromagnetic spectrum. There is Balmer series, Paschen series, and what are other? Balmer series, Paschen series, then bracket series and Pfeffer series. Okay. So from N1, mean N1 is K. K shell. Which electron is moving from K shell to 2, 3, 4 or any orbital? That is called the first one, that is lemon. That spectrum is called lemon. Then if it N2 means L. From L, any electron is ejecting to third, fourth, fifth. Always electron will eject from lower energy level to higher energy. Okay, so that is called Balmer. So like this way, it will move to next level. Okay, so this is all about electromagnetic spectrum. If you are facing still any problem, you can ask. Lela, is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Lela, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second question came here from Rupender and Aryan. That is photoelectric effect. So I'm taking photoelectric effect now. What is photoelectric effect? Okay. So before that, please drop some of the more doubts, as you have 10 minutes in fact. So Rupender and Aryan asked one question, that is photoelectric effect. So dear students, the word photoelectric effect. Just break down these words into following three terms. Photo. What is the meaning of photo? What do you mean by photo? Yes.
Light.
Yes, it is light. Photo means light. What is electric? Electric word comes from
Electron.
Okay. Effect is observation that we do. Mean what changes are occurring? What changes photoelectric will bring? So this concept is basically coming from, as again I am telling you, three things we have done in structure of atom. First is electric nature. Right. What is second? What was second? Electric nature. What was second? Past. Wave nature.
Wave nature.
And third is
Particle nature.
Particle nature. But first, just differentiate. What is the difference between electric wave and particle? Anyone? Fast. What is the difference between electric wave and particle? You have 5 minutes. What is electric? What do you mean by electric, Leila?
Electron, sir.
Electron. It is the electric word we are using when suppose anything that is moving, that where electrons are moving. Okay. So wave is how it is moving. It is moving like a wave. Okay. Where crust is there. And the particle is what? It is continuously moving. In 9th class we studied matter has 3 properties. Number one, the particles of matters are continuously moving. Number two, particles of matter are attracting each other. Number three, particles of matter having space and it occupy mass. Clear? So particle nature is continuously moving. So from here we are getting the two effects. Number one is photoelectric effects. Second one is black body radiation. Black body radiation is what? All the objects which is black in color that is absorbing all the light. Okay, that is the black body radiation. So next Planck, here I want to tell, please pay attention. Here I want to tell Leila asked one more question, that is Planck's quantum theory. That's why I took this photoelectric effect first, because Planck's quantum theory, that's Planck in 1900, according to his theory, the electromagnetic radiation made up of particles. Again, according to Max Planck quantum theory, the electromagnetic radiation, you know very well, those radiation which is having electric property and magnetic property, those electromagnetic radiations are made up of particles. Okay, one that according to Maxwell, James Clerk Maxwell, which is wave nature, it shows wave nature. But according to Max Planck, it shows particle nature. But later on we discuss in Dirac-Broglie equation, the electrons or matter showing both wave as well as particle nature. Okay, that is different concept. That is after this wave and particle, he merged the wave and particle, and he shown the dual nature of particle. So according to photoelectric effect, what is the photoelectric effect? As usual, there is nucleus in the center. And we will take the example of any alkali metal. You can take example of sodium, you can take example of potassium, where in outermost shell there is one electron. In outermost shell there is electron. Suppose I am taking example of sodium. So 2 electrons are in the center. Station 8 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 electrons are in L. And 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry. And 1 electron is there in outermost shell. Okay. Now again, how this outermost shell electron will eject? When there is a certain frequency, it depends upon the ejection of electron depend upon intensity of light or frequency of light. It is a phenomenon in which the surface of alkali metal like potassium or sodium having low ionization energy emit electrons when a beam of light with a high frequency is made to fall on them, the electron will eject. This is the high frequency beam of light which ejects this electron. It will eject the electron from outermost shell, and this ejection is depending upon the threshold energy. Threshold energy is the minimum energy that is required to eject this. Okay, minimum energy required to eject this electron from outermost shell, that is called this effect, in which effect the outermost electron is ejecting due to some light, that is called photo light electron. The ejection of electron due to light is known as photoelectric effect. Because of that, the ions are becoming, atom is becoming ion, and it helps us to make the molecule. Okay, so this is photoelectric effect. As I can see, there is not any more doubts, so it means that this chapter is very much clear to you. Today I shared one compiled summary of the chapter through PDF. I hope so you gone through. Today again you study and solve the exercise of this chapter. Tomorrow on Sunday and day after tomorrow once again I will ask, then after that we will start our next topic, that is third unit, classification of periodic table. Okay, so till then stay home, take care yourself, and keep enjoying these digital classes. I think now your English period is going to start, so please be ready for English period. Thank you. Have a nice day. If something you want to tell, so you can tell me, ask me, please. If anything you want to say, you can tell me. How was the session? Put the feedback or tell verbally. How was this practical session, live session? Have you enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
So hope so you are getting everything whatever we are teaching. Okay, but again I am appealing some of the students, they are not serious, not even they are coming online, not even they are coming online test. Suppose here I want to ask Neha, this time also your group has not called me on conference call. Yes, Neha, give me answer. Your group has not. Sorry?
We all were there in conference, sir. Your number was not. There was no signal in your call.
No. How is it possible? I am getting. You can ask any student. I am getting everybody's phone. I am getting and I am calling. Then you can call after 10 minutes, 15 minutes also. Similar way here I want to ask Aryan, Raghav and group. I think they are Rupender and group. You called Rupender? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Akshita, be active, okay? Be active. So it is once again my request from everybody. Please, now class, those group in charges will take care about all the students should be active on Zoom live also. Everybody should attend the classes, okay? Chalo then, take care. Okay, bye for next class. Okay, take care. Take care.